Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the authentic, the real, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And, I forget stuff because I'm 70 years old. It has nothing to do with senility, COVID. I have to think. I have to dredge stuff out of the back of my brain. I've got my reading glasses on. That's another issue, seeing small print. But it took me half an hour. I got this thing finally to work. I was trying to go on the internet, it won't work. Why, what's wrong? Then I remembered I got to put the code in, the password. And it took me another 20 or 30 minutes to get this keyboard to work because I cannot read without my reading glasses, even with a bright light, the instruction manual. And I couldn't see the FN key because I can't see. So there's FN, there's the P. I got the Bluetooth keyboard to work. The mouse works, but only on the right click. I'm going to have to buy a new mouse. And now I have the internet. Now what's weird is this 2008 won't get on the internet. This mid 2009 21-inch Imac will get on the internet. And it's $125 to replace. I'll buy the screen, the glass. It's no longer magnetic. The 2008 was magnetic. This requires you to use a spudgy, like a little plastic thing, go all the way around, take the glue off, and put a new glass in. And then I'm going to get a new hard drive. I'm going to do both. I may as well pay for a hard drive, put a 2 terabyte in here, which gives me enough storage. But now I'll move the keyboard for a minute. Fluffy's on the bed. And take the mouse and right click so you can see this. And this means that when I get this totally repaired, let's hear Radical talk for a minute.
Against Donald Trump. That is what Matt Gaetz wanted to take in.
So, put it on stop. I got YouTube. And I haven't tried it yet because I can only see I have to go almost on top of the screen here to see the screen because these only go a few inches from my face. But now I can see chat, I can see everything, 27-inch, much bigger than that. Not as big as a TV, but if I pull the 2008 out and put it in the bedroom, put this in and hope it doesn't screw up with the broken glass for the time being, I can finally see what I'm doing. And of course, the computer table will be much better to do. I have to clear everything off. Much better do this than a tray table because this thing started to fall off the tray table because this is very wobbly. Look, it's a 9.0 megaquake. So, let's hope not. But after about 40 minutes total, I couldn't find the FN key because I couldn't read the manual because the print's too small, even with the lantern. But I finally figured it out. Then I got the code for the internet, AT&T, the password. Then I clicked on I clicked on Firefox, and there I am. I've got YouTube, and then I got Safari. I haven't tried to get Chrome. Chrome may be too old. And this is running. Let's go up here for a minute. Hope it didn't freak out. I got to get a new mouse because this mouse fell in the water or whatever I had in there one night, and it doesn't like that. Okay, hold on. About this Mac. Hopefully I won't get this spinning wheel of death or get this to work. It should work. Of course, I don't have a proper mouse pad here. I have a white piece of paper, so white binder paper. Let's see. Nope, that's not doing. Let me get the other mouse pad. Very weird, though. The wired keyboard that works in the 2008 will not work on this 2009 iMac. Go figure that one out. Okay, take the mouse pad. It's still not working. Very strange. This computer is strange. I can't find out what it is. It should be able to. Should tell me right away. that should pop up. Now let's see if I... See, there's favorites. I've never had this happen on the Mac. I don't know what Kathy did to this thing. But now let's try something else here. Let's see if I can get the Weather Channel. Oh, that's Safari. Okay, it doesn't like Safari. Go figure. There goes the spinning wheel. So it'll let me. We'll turn off Safari. This is the screwiest computer in all the years I've been using Macs. It doesn't like Safari. I think I'm definitely going to have to get a new hard drive. And Finder should be able to do force quit, and that's not doing it either. So this is Adventures in Mac Usage, or whatever you want to call it. Very weird. Oh, there's force quit. I forgot. See? I forgot where it was because I don't use it all that often. A couple of times a month maybe. And now it won't go down to... It keeps spinning. It may not have enough memory too. That may be another problem. I don't know what kind of memory this thing has in here. And it's gonna escape. Nope, that doesn't work. Escape didn't work. I keep getting the spinning wheel of death all the time, and then I have to restart this stupid thing. So I will work with this. Maybe I'll just leave it on, or leave it on YouTube. I don't know. But 125 will get repaired. You can see YouTube running there. You can see the chat going. That means when I get this fixed, I'll be able to see the chat in my own channel. And let me see if it'll let me look for something. No, it's still stuck. Every time it does this, I have to start the computer over, and then it... Let me see. There we go. Force quit. That doesn't work either. I don't know what the hell. Oh, there we go. Why is it going to system preferences now? Very strange. Okay, I'll relaunch the Finder. See if that works. Nope. I've been using Mac since the original Mac. I've never seen one screw up this quickly, but it may be the hard drive, it may be the memory's going bad. Relaunch. This is really strange. Anyway, Adventures in Mac Computing. Let's see, Finder. Relaunch again. Very weird. Well, I'll continue to screw with this. It took an hour and a half to get on the internet. Or about that. Okay, now system preference doesn't go away. Now we just let me exit out of it without freaking it out. Okay. Let me see what will let me type. Hold on. I got Fluffy in the bed, so it's a small problem. I can't type. Okay, G. I have not tried to go to my channel. So let's see. Boom. Here we go. Here is mail time from 1 or 2 days ago, I think. Playback doesn't begin restarting your device. Oh, God help me. Yeah, something's really. I think Kathy got ripped off. She paid $300 for this computer, and it doesn't want to work right. But maybe hitting it with a cinder block wall didn't help any. Okay, let's try this one. Nope, it's still doing the spinning wheel. Wait a minute, might be doing something here. Or not. Here we go. Let's see.
The official, the real.
Yay, the official me. It works. And now I'm getting my channel. All right, with that in mind, I'm going to go. I will unplug this because I can't get out the door with it in the way. And then hope it works further. I will move the 2008. I will put this over there. Use it temporarily as best I can. And then, I don't know if it's going to be able to upload to my Mac Mini or not. We shall try. So I'm making progress, but this is one reason why you know, the people who that denigrate me, the trolls, well, you should take care of Fluffy. I will, but everything I do takes money to work. Now, to get this working properly, I have to take it to the shop, and let's see if about this Mac finally will work. I've never had about this Mac not work on any computer. This is really bizarre. It won't tell me. Maybe I can do it this way. Go to the hard drive. No, I keep getting spinning wheel of death. I don't even know how much memory is in this thing. I would have to turn it over and open it up. It might have board memory. I'll have to look at Mac Tracker. All right, I'll let you go, but now I know YouTube works at least. And then I'll have to do some investigating in the Mac Mini to see if I can pair this to the Mac Mini through a screen share and then get it repaired. I've got a 1 year newer computer than I've got over there. Then eventually get the 2010 repaired. That's my first new Mac I ever had. Fuzzy knocked the thing down somehow and broke the screen, and the taskbar goes about halfway up the screen turns black. I don't know what the hell she did. I miss her very much, but at least I got the keyboard to work. I got the Mac to work. I got to get out of here, go feed Tiny One and Grace, do the dishes, and make some dinner. Have a great night. Stay dry. Rain will be starting tomorrow. And we shall see what happens with this adventures in Mac computing. With a, see, what the hell, 19 is 10. 20 is 11. 2, 3, 4. So this is 24-year-old computer, something like that. Hold on. Computer, what's 24 minus 9?
24 minus 9 is 15.
15. I'm way off. I can't do math worth a damn anymore either. Out of my head. I used to be able to. Have one of the consequences of getting old, scratching my head. All right, that's it for this one. Stay dry, stay safe, stay warm, and I will catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and watch the keyboard. Bye-bye for now.